Boss, premar ka ako. Online lang. Thank you. Ay, sige sir.
Kumukop. Kumukop. Meron ka na. Dapat daw meron ka. Magdadating. Ganda pa dating.
Dogs. Wala ka dito eh.
Ano ngayon? Coach, coach.
Dito ako, lilipat na ako.
Dito na po, coach.
Ha?
Coach.
First five.
Pag may parang nakakagulat eh, pag may ingay.
Alright, good morning everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Magsisimula na po tayo ng ating day 1 ng ating quarterfinals between Barangay Corazon de Jesus versus Barangay Salapan. And first ball para sa Barangay Salapan. First basket mula kay Alex de la Cruz. Galimba, former MVP. Tabla tayo. Alex. Oh, what a strip. Outlet pass. Steal ng Salapan. Alley-oop. Ooh. What a nice move. Back-to-back basket mula kay Alex de la Cruz. Ariel. Steal by Kenneth de los Santos. Pass to Alex de la Cruz. Back-to-back basket para kay Alex de la Cruz. Pass to Webb. Byron to Teruel. Teruel gets a foul.
Foul number 111, first personal foul, first team foul.
Yes, in the line, jersey number 12. Budoy Teruel. No good. Second shot for Teruel. Basket. 1 for 2. 6-3, down by 3. Kenneth. That's corner, kick out to Ano. Corpus for 3. Yes, sir.
3 for 4.
For Corpus. Oh, another steal. Alex for 3, no good. What an extra pass. Reverse layup mula kay Kenneth. 11-3. Kutoy. Pass to Daryl. Coach Daryl Descarte. At the post. Gets the contact. Foul.
Foul number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Reverse layup para kay Daryl Galimba. 11-5. Cross-court pass. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds. Same ball. 14 seconds.
Kenneth from the corner. Corpus for 3. Wala. Rebound. Outlet pass. Steal. Here comes Budoy. Wala. Rebound by Kenneth. De Los Santos. Pass to Alex. Alex for 3. Yes. Para sa tres. For Alex De La Cruz. 14-5. Ooh, no good. Reverse layup. Basket. Tip.
2 points.
Thank you. 14-7. Kick out to Corpus. Number 11. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth drive. Steal. Recover ang Salapan. Number 11 pull up J. Basket. Budoy. Pass to Daryl. Coach Daryl. Kutoy. Behind the back. Byron Webb. Miss. Rebound by Alex. De La Cruz. Derecho. De La Cruz gets a foul. Timeout. Barangay Corazon de Jesus.
Foul number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Timeout. Barangay Corazon.
Natin ang hadal ng Barangay Corazon de Jesus. 16-7 in favor of Barangay Salapan. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 6 minutes and 22 seconds on the game clock. Bola rito. Corpus from the corner. No good. Rebound by Galimba. Pass to Kutoy. Outlet pass. Teruel all the way. Basket is good. For Budoy de la Teruel. Corpus back to number 1. Pass to Corpus. To number 1. Fake. Number 1. Umatake. Basket is good.
2 points.
18-9 in favor pa rin sa Barangay Salapan. Kutoy 4-3. No good. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth derecho. Binigay using the glass and score.
Gallardo.
29. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Pass to Galimba at the post. Galimba drive using the glass and score.
Galimba.
20-11. Kenneth, top of the key for three. No good. Rebound. Tayamora, outlet pass behind the back. Whoa, basket count.
Plus a foul.
Ay, Coach Don Perito.
Foul number 22.
The connection between Tayamora and Perito.
Third team foul.
One shot for Coach Don Perito. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Gets in the line, jersey number 25. Perito for a 3-point play. Basket is good. Baba sa anim ang kalamangan ng team Barangay Salapan. De Los Santos, Kenneth. Pinagay sa elbow 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Coach Dondon. Coach Dondon, dire-diretso. Using the glass. No good. Number 8. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Corpus. Pass to Alex. De La Cruz. Binale. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Pass to Perito. Perito. Pass to Tayamora. Basket is good. For Kutoy Tayamora. Baba sa 4 ang alamangan ng team Barangay Salapan. Kenneth. Another steal for Tayamora. Pass to Dondon Perito. Basket yan. Time out Barangay Salapan. Official score 20-80 and 2-point lead para sa Barangay Salapan. Tingnan natin ang huddle muna ng Barangay Salapan.
Back to the ball game.
Basket count and 1 for Alex De La Cruz.
Foul number 8. Atendido, first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonizat, De La Cruz. Alex.
One shot para kay De La Cruz. Basket. 23-18. In favor pa rin sa Barangay Salapan. Galimba, pass to Perito. Cross-court pass to Tayamora. Back to Galimba from elbow 3. Yes, sir! For the 3-point. De La Cruz umatake at nakalusot si Alex De La Cruz. 21-25. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Perito. Sorry, that's Tayamora. Tayamora, reverse layup, no good. Rebound. Atendido. Pass to Tayamora from the corner. 3. Out of bounds. Save ball.
Substitution.
Macho coming in.
Referee, magbibigay bola. Tingin mo na rin ka sa committee.
Sap.
Sap.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Pass. Out of bounds.
Same ball. 13 seconds.
Perito for 3, no good. Rebound. Makuha ng Salapan. Ano? Corpus, pass number 1. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Bacho. Pass to Perito. Steal. Corpus. Corpus, didiscarte. Pass to number 4. De La Cruz. Drive. Floater. Miss. Rebound. Makuha pa rin ang salapan. Number 1. Pass to Corpus. Corpus kick out. Number 1. Libre sa 3. No good. Rebound ng Corazon. Pass to Perrito. And out of bound.
Benito for taking a foul.
Alex. Fake for 3. Short. Rebound by Galimba. Steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to Corpus. For 3. Yes, sir. 28-21. 3-point there para kay Corpus. Galimba drive and gets the foul. Sub. Manalo coming in.
First personal foul. 14 foul.
Jordan Acebo. Bacho looking for his teammate. Kick out. Turelli. Back to Manalo. Galimba floater.
Galimba.
Basket. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to De La Cruz. Number 1, cross-court pass. Pinasa loob, pull up, wala. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to Coach Dondon. Perrito nagmamadali. Ayan na. Number 28 and score. Basket yan.
Number 1 for taking a foul.
Number 1 for faking a foul. Warning. 28-25. Down by 3. Number 6. De La Cruz. Back to De La Cruz. Fake. De La Cruz drive. Using the glass and gets the foul.
Foul number 24. Number 24, second personal foul. 13 foul.
Shoot the line. Jersey number 6. De La Cruz. Good. Second shot, De La Cruz, wala. Rebound, Mandaray, Corazon. Perrito, pass to Galimba. To number 28, pass to Bacho. Bacho drive and score.
Bacho, number 24.
Umasa isa ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. 28-27. Corpus, pass to Alex. To number 1. Cross-court pass. Ayun na. Drive. Pass to De La Cruz. Steal by Galimba. Outlet pass. Really Manalo all the way. Easy, 2 points.
Manalo. And the first
Change favor. Lamang na ang Barangay Corazon. 29-28 in favor of Barangay Corazon de Jesus. Alright. Baliktad na po. Ang Barangay Corazon na po ang may hawak ng kalamangan. End of the first quarter, 29-28. Magbabalik tayo para sa second quarter.
back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Wala nyo. Second quarter, bola ng Barangay Corazon. Perrito, pass to Manalo. Manalo, stop and pump, short. Galimba. Oh, sorry, that's Santos.
Okay lang.
Epi. De La Cruz. Oh, sorry, that's Corpus. Back to Corpus. Top of the key for 3. Yes, sir.
Corpus.
Tabla tayo sa 31. Oy, Santos, reverse layup, miss. Rebound ng Salapan. Corpus, didiskarte. Stop and pump, 4-3, wala. Out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Bola dito ng Barangay Corazon de Jesus. Number 28, pass to Coach Dondon, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Umatake, wala pa rin. Rebound this time ng Barangay Salapan. Out that pass. Alex drive. Using the glass and score. Balik ang kalamangan sa Barangay Salapan. Perito. Setting on the play. Pass to Epi. Santos. Relly Manalo and gets the foul. Substitution.
Foul number 6. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Terwell coming in for jersey number 28. Kick out. Perito for 3. Short. Rebound by Corpus. Out that pass. De La Cruz all the way.
Good point. De La
By
Cruz.
jersey number 26.
The dropping.
Perito. Bad pass. Steal by De La Cruz. 2 against 2. De La Cruz. Alley-oop. Gets a foul.
Foul.
Sub.
Foul number 3. First personal foul.
On the free throw
First
area.
team foul.
Jersey number 4, that's Alex De La Cruz. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 37-31. Balik ang kalamangan. 6-point lead para sa Barangay Salapan. Galimba. Paso Tayamora. What a close call pass by Ron Webb. What a ball movement. Finding open man for Barangay Corazon. Corpus setting on the play. Pass to De La Cruz. Pass to Alex. To De La Cruz. Sa loob. Kick out. Corpus drive. Pass to number 12. Uy. 4 seconds stop to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Wala. Rebound by Byron. Pass to Galimba. Galimba. Bad pass.
Out of bounds. Green ball.
Salapan basketball. Oh, steal by Santos. Tayamora out that pass. Santos. Ooh. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul number 10, Santos. First personal foul.
Grabe
Second team
naman
foul.
yun. Nakita na ma-advantage ang si Santos to get the contact para tumawag ng offensive foul ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, alley-oop, bad pass. Oy, steal! Naka-recover ang Salapan. Corpus, libre sa 3. Yes, sir!
3. Corpus.
40-33 in favor of Barangay Salapan. Galimba setting on the play. Byron drop pass, gets the foul.
Foul number 6. Number 6, third personal foul. Second team foul.
Tayamora, pass to Galimba, pull up J, wala, rebound by Corpus. Outlet pass, De La Cruz all the way, basket. Timeout.
Corazon.
Time out, Barangay Corazon de Jesus. Official score 42-33 in favor of Barangay Salapan. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Galimba to Tayamora, drop pass. Galimba, reverse layup. Basket is good. 35-42. Kenneth. Bigay sa corner. Pass to De La Cruz.
7 seconds.
Hand up to Kenneth. Bounce pass, block. Santos, outlet pass. Tayamora all the way.
Tayamora.
37-42. Ayun na, naka full court defense ang Barangay Corazon. Kenneth, binigay sa corner. Corpus, catch and shoot for 3. Wala. Rebound by Perito. Pasu, Tayamora, 3 against 2. Pudoy, Teruel.
Basket count plus a foul.
Basket count plus a foul by Pudoy, Teruel.
Second personal foul. 13 fouls.
42-39. Baba sa tatlo ang alamangan ng Barangay Salapan. 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Teruel. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Salapan. Alex. Pass to Ano. Corpus. Pinagay from elbow 3. Block. May Galimba. Outlet pass to Tayamora. 1 against 3. Ayun na. 4 against 3. Oh! Bola. There's a foul.
Number 13, first personal
Number 13.
foul. 14 fouls.
They shoot in the line. Santos. First shot missed. Second shot for Santos. Santos, wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Dun. Kenneth. Sa corner, block. Outlet pass to Santos. Galimba. Oh. Sayang.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Sub.
Substitution.
Go, pare. Substitution. 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Bola ng Salapan. At the post. Cross-court pass. Number 12. To Kenneth. Catch and shoot. Short. Number 12 with a rebound. Gets the putback.
Manalo.
Ay Manalo. 44-39. Balik sa 5 ang lamang ng Salapan. Perito. Pass to Tayamora. To Santos. Steal by Corpus. Ayan na ang Salapan. Cross-court pass. Number 7. Steal. Perito nagmamadali. Pass to Teruel. Oh! Gets a foul.
Breaking foul number 12. First personal foul. Penalty.
Second shot para kay Teruel. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Kenneth. Delas Reyes. De Los Santos. Kenneth for 3. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Byron. Web. Stop and pump. Basket is good. Hey. Hey.
10 seconds.
Corpus for 3.
3. Corpus.
Ayamora to Teruel. Block by Manalo.
Substitution. Tama. Sarapan.
Time out, Barangay Salapan. Yan natin ang huddle ng Barangay Salapan.
Back to the ball game. Hello. Sixteen seconds.
Oh, steal. Out that pass. Kenneth all the way. Basket.
2 points.
47. Correction, 49-41 in favor of Barangay Salapan. Perito, pass to Tayamora. Tayamora, floater, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Stay ball.
14 seconds.
14-second shot clock. Pacho. Oh, block by Manalo. Another block. Makuha rito ni Corpus. Kenneth. Uy, walang tawag. Number 1 for 3. Whoa! What a nice 3-point. Napakaswerte naman doon. By Gallardo. Assist by Kenneth De Los Santos. 52-41. Tayamora binigay. Bad pass. Steal by Manalo. Pass to Kenneth. Tucalo. Pass to Kenneth. Setting on the play. Corpus. Di diskarte. Ganda ng pass nun. Ooh. Out of bounds. Same ball.
8 seconds.
Time remaining po natin, 1 minute and 37. De Los Santos, block by Santos.
Same ball, 5 seconds.
5-second shot clock to shoot. Gallardo. Kick out. Corpus, catch and shoot. Oh! My goodness! What a buzzer beater for Corpus. Naihabol pa yun. Assist by Gallardo. Perito, babawi si Tayamora.
Tayamora.
3. At hindi na mapapayag ito si Tayamora. 44-54, last 1 minute left. De Los Santos, pass to Manalo. At nakasagot si Manalo. Perito, pass to Santos. Santos, didiskarte. Santos, drive. Wala. Rebound by Gallardo. Outlet pass to Corpus. 40 seconds remaining. To Kenneth. Uy, what an extra pass. Unselfish play para sa Barangay Salapan. 59-44. Perito, up and under, gets the contact, and there's a foul.
Foul number 2.
By Manalo.
Personal foul. Penalty.
That's a penalty para kay Salapan. Under penalty situation. Last 22 seconds. 2 shots para kay Perito. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Coach Don Perito. Wala. Rebound by Tayamora. Kick out. Perito from elbow. Yes, sir! Three. Assist by Tayamora. Last 11 seconds. Ooh. There's a foul. Number 22.
Foul number 22.
Last 10 seconds. Kenneth. Pass to Gallardo. Gallardo, bounce pass. De Los Santos. Nakayabol pa ni Kenneth De Los Santos.
13-20 by Barangay.
Alright. Magkakat mo tayo for the meantime at magbabalik. More buzzer beater para kay Kenneth De Los Santos. Our final official score 61-48. Sa pagkatapos sa ating first quarter, magbabalik tayo para sa second half. Muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng buo natin Liga, especially to our beloved Mayor Francis Zamora at sa ating City Council of San Juan. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. This is your
Back to the ball game. Ball possession, Barangay Salapan.
steal. No. Tayamora. Tayamora, kick out. Puerito for 3. No good. Rebound, makukuha ni Alex De La Cruz. Up and under, no good. Rebound. Uy, last touch. Wala dito ng Corazon. Tayamora for 3, wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Kenneth. De Los Santos. Steal by Jordan. Pass to Santos. Santos at the post. Drive. Basket is good. 50-61. Babasa. 11 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Number 1. Pass to Manalo. Back to Gallardo. Pull up J. Wala. Uy. Makaka-recover. Kenneth Hesse. Drive. Uy. Walang tawag. Bigay sa corner. Alex De La Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Perito. Outlet pass. Tayamora. Pass to Galimba. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Alex. Uy, there's a foul. By Coach Dondon Perito.
Drawing foul number 25, Perito. First personal foul. First team foul.
Bola rito ng Barangay Salapan. De Los Santos, Kenneth. De Los Santos. Messi. Drive, gets the contact, may foul. There's a foul, number 22.
Second personal foul number 22.
Manalo, pass to Kenneth. De Los Santos. Pass to Gallardo, to De La Cruz.
6 seconds.
6-second shot, left to shoot. De La Cruz, 4-3, in and out. Rebound by Galimba. Galimba, atake. Paso Santos, basket. Time out, Barangay Salapan. Official score, 52-61. Babasa 9 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Tingnan natin ang adel ng Barangay Salapan. Time remaining 7 minutes and 34 seconds.
To the ball game.
Sadya yung mga nanonood, pre.
Ha? Hindi ko kita eh. Wala akong ano eh. Wala akong bakapong. Ayun, nakikiram lang ako. Still.
Single 9 seconds.
Gallardo. Alex for 3, no good. Rebound by Teruel. Outlet pass, Galimba all the way. 54-61 in favor of Barangay Salapan.
Personal foul number 1. Second personal foul. Substitution. First team foul.
Jordan Acebo. Pass to Coach Dondon. Pass to Acebo. Back to Jordan. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Santos miss. Another rebound. Gets the foul.
Foul number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Good. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by Coach Dondon. At the post, Santos. Paso Galimba to Acebo. By Jordan Acebo. 61-56. De La Cruz. Alex. 4-3 short. Rebound by Jordan. Pass to Perito. Dondon. Oh, steal. Almost.
Out of bounds.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Bola na ang Corazon. Perito, catch and shoot. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, dire-diretso. Uy! Good defense para kay Jordan Acebo. Ay na, out and pass. Uy! Santos. 58-61. Kenneth, pass to Ano. Corpus for 3, in and out. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Perito to Jordan. Cross-court pass. Teruel at the drive. Wala. Rebound by Gallardo. But there's a foul. Number 15.
Foul number 15, Galimba. First personal foul. Substitution.
Ayun na. Babas sa tatlong. Ang kalamangan. 58-61. De La Cruz, libre sa 3, wala. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Perito. Perito dire-diretso. Perito drive. Gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag. Wait lang.
Foul number 22. Number 22, third. Personal foul. Substitution. Third, team foul.
Both teams have third team foul. Bacho. Pass to Perito. Top of the key for 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3 by Coach Dondon. Perito. Tabla tayo sa 61. De Los Santos. Pass to Ano. Corpus. Didiskarte. Corpus. Whoa, what a nice move. By Ano, Corpus. Balik ang alamangan sa salapan. Perito for 3. No good. Rebound by Ano. Ayan na si Ano. Nagmamadali. Corpus for 3. In and out. Rebound by Bacho. Tayamora to Perito. Bounce pass. Galimba. Drop pass. Uy. There's a foul. Wait lang. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Same ball tayo. Perito, bounce pass. Galimba gets the foul.
Foul number 4. First personal foul. Fourth, team foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 15, Galimba. First shot is good. 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining para sa ating third period. Daryl Galimba, former MVP. Galimba, miss, rebound. Makukuha, Perito, and there's a foul by Alex De La Cruz.
Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Penalty.
There's a foul by Alex De La Cruz. Penalty. Barangay Salapan under penalty situation. Perito shooting the line for 2 points. First shot, miss. Yun o. Second shot para kay Coach Dondon. Perito, basket. Tabla tayo sa 63.
Substitution.
63 all. Yan na, bias na po mamaya. Kenneth, didiskarte. Kenneth at the post, Manalo. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Bola rito ni Kevin Dimaporo. Setting on the play. Dimaporo. Pass to Bacho. Uy, steal by De La Cruz. Pass to Manalo. Back to Corpus. Corpus, Diniscarte. Pass to Kenneth. To Alex. Alex, Diniscarte. Binigay kay Ano. Ano, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Tayamora. Tayamora to Galiba. Daryl, stop and pop. Short, rebound by Manalo. Steal by Kevin. Steal by Alex. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Ceci. Oh. Reverse layup. Basket. For jersey number 20. Teres Kenneth de Los Santos. Timeout muna rito ang Barangay Corazon. 65-63. Alright, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. 65-63. Kevin Dimaporo, matatangan ng bola. Dimaporo, pass to Kenneth. Oh, sorry, Tayamora, binigay sa loob. Teruel, basket para kay Budoy. Teruel. 65 all. De Los Santos. 4-3 is in and out. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Kevin. Kevin, alley-oop. Teruel, recover. Pass to Kevin. Kevin, binigay sa corner. Galiba, 4-3. Short. Santos with a putback. Last 2 minutes para sa ating third quarter. 6-7. 65-67. Kenneth, may tangan ng bola. Idipensa ni Kevin. Kenneth, kick out. Alex from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Galiba. Outlet pass. Tayamora. Bounce pass. Teruel. Block by Alex de La Cruz. Ayan na. Kenneth, nagmamadali. Kenneth waiting for his teammate. Pass to Corpus. Corpus. Ayan na. Binigay kay Manalo. Manalo binigay. Alex, fake. Alex, sidestep. Oh! That's a trouble. Kitang-kita yun ng ating official referee. Time remaining 1 minute and 11 seconds. Bola ng Corazon. Kevin, pass to Santos. Oh, steal by Manalo. Corpus will recover. Corpus tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Kevin. Kevin, behind the back. Pass to Tayamora. Tayamora, bounce pass. Galiba and one. Uy, correction. That's a trouble. Sub. No. De Los Santos for 3. 68-67. Change favor. Lamang ang Barangay Salapan. Last 25 seconds. Tayamora, babawi sa 3. In and out. Rebound by Manalo. Pasok Kenneth. Kenneth. Atake, spin, drive, reverse layup. Gets the foul.
Foul number 29, Dimaporo. First personal foul. Fourth, team foul, substitution.
Substitution. Last 10 seconds remaining. On shooting the line, jersey number 22. That's Kenneth De Los Santos. Basket for Kenneth. Second shot for Kenneth. Basket. 70-67. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 7. Kevin. Cross-court pass. Teruel. Wala. Rebound by Alex. End of the third quarter. Official score. 70-67 in favor of Barangay Salapan. Alright. Fourth quarter tayo. Lamang ng tatlo, Barangay Salapan. Back to the ball game. (70-67) fourth quarter. Byron reverse layup for a reverse shot para kay Daryl Garlimba. Babasa isang kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. Dito na tayo magkakaalaman sa fourth quarter. Corpus, stop and pump. Whoa! 3! For Corpus. Ano? 73-69. 4-point lead para sa Barangay Salapan. Perito. Pass to Putoy. Tayamora running shot. In and out. Rebound by Corpus. Corpus. Bounce pass. Oh, offensive foul.
Offensive foul number 13. First personal foul. First team foul.
Perito, pass to Byron. Pass to Perito. To Tayamora from the corner three. Yes, sir! For Tayamora. 72-73. 4-3. There's a foul.
Foul number 22. Number 22. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. One time out.
First shot is good by number 25. 8 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Second shot, basket. Nakakadalawa na sa free throw. Last one para kay number 25 for a 3-point play. Ayan na, 3 for 3. 76-72. Perito. Paso Galimba. High post. Back to Perito. Perito for 3. No good. Rebound. Galimba gets the foul.
Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Cellphone lang, cellphone. Para mo Thank you. Basket.
Ay, tao! Yan!
Get a shot, short. Rebound by Galimba. Out at pass. Steal. Tayamora gets the foul.
Blocking foul number 25, Swan. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Galimba and one.
Basket count. Foul number 12, Manalo. Third personal foul. Bonus shot, Galimba.
Bonus shot for Galimba for a 3-point play. Galimba change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Barangay Corazon de Jesus. 77-76. De La Cruz. Number 15. Oh, steal by Santos. Santos nagmamadali. Santos, what an extra pass. Galimba all the way. Uy. Time out, Barangay Salapan. Provisional score 79-60-76 in favor of Barangay Corazon de Jesus. Tingnan natin, huddle ng Barangay Salapan.
Back to the ball game.
Tao, men! Ayan, tao mo!
Hindi, wala. Mas may ano, malalaglag. Oo. Okay lang.
Monitoring mo lang yan.
Oo. Darap ko lang sa kanya. Alright, back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 25 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. Bola rito ng Barangay Salapan. Manalo at the post. Manalo, kick out. Gallardo to Alex for 3. Wala, rebound by Perito. Perito, pass to Webb. Catch and shoot, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Barangay Salapan. Pass to Manalo. Manalo. Pass number 1. Gallardo. Gallardo atake, sidestep, block, out of bounds. Same ball. Last 7 seconds to shoot. Manalo, basket. 79-78, babasa isang kalamangan ng Barangay Corazon. Perito, pass to Santos, back to Perito. To Galimba for 3. Oh, no good. Rebound. Steal by Byron. Drop pass. Galimba. What an extra pass by Santos. 81 to 78. Number 1, Gallardo, setting on the screen, pass to Alex. Alex, didiskarte, tumira sa 3, wala, out of bounds. Bacho coming in for Daryl Galimba. Perito, didiskarte. Setting on the play. Perito. Pass to Bacho. Bacho, one-hand shot. Basket is good. Ayan na, naka-isolation play. Si Corpus. Babawi sa 3. Gallardo for 3. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Manalo. Back to De La Cruz. Alex, binigay sa loob. Manalo. Drive and one. Basket count and one for Manalo.
Third personal foul.
Bonus shot for Manalo. Oh, steal. Gallardo for 3. Oh! Oh my goodness. Tabla tayo. Sa tatlo. 83 all. Less than 5 minutes tayo. Byron. Pass to Bacho. Bacho drive. No good.
Substitution.
Salapan basketball. Corpus. Pass to Alex. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to Corpus for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Perito. Perito nagpapadali. 3 against 3. Ball pass. Steal by Gallardo. Steal by Santos. Wala na steal. Oy. There's a foul by number 22.
Foul number 22. Number 32. Third personal foul. Substitution.
Foul number 22, that's fourth personal foul. Warning for graduate. Last 4 minutes left. De La Cruz, may tangan ng bola. De La Cruz ni diskarte. De La Cruz for 3. Oh! My goodness. Rebound para kay De La Cruz. 86-83. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Barangay Salapan. Santos using the board. Basket. Baba sa isang Kalamangan ng Barangay Salapan. 86-85. 3 minutes and 26 seconds. De La Cruz na naman may tangan ng bola. Setting on the play. De La Cruz. Tumira sa 3. Wala. There's a foul.
Wala na second. Wala na second motion. Wala na. May tawag na.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Official timeout muna tayo.
Out of the playing court!
Wala niya.
Technical foul number 1. For unsportsmanlike foul.
Technical number 1 for a sports
First
personal
personal
foul.
foul. Technical foul number 22, Tayamora. For second motion, Tayamora. Graduate. Coach, graduate na si Tayamora.
Technical.
Panglima na niya.
Good, tapos
Counted as personal foul and technical. So, graduate na po.
Ay, ako! Manatawag ko! Mas walang tao kasi isa.
Ay, dalawa pa tayo mag ba? Pag pumasok tayo mag ka. Pag pumasok lang, pag pumasok.
copy coach.
Yun na po. Ay, di ba mag-technical? Technical ba? Dalawang technical, so walang foul trade. Hindi, ano?
Walang answer.
Ngayon, technical tayo. Like yung bola, walang nakaripit. Outside!
Possession sa laban. Coach Buboy, dalawa pa tayo niya.
Technical na kayo, penalty pa. Wala po na.
Manalo. Alright, back to ball game na tayo. Binigay, Manalo, pull up, wala. Rebound. Oh! De La Cruz. 88-85. Still. Ayun na. Kalimba gets a foul.
Eh, di ba nga daw sinabi?
Foul number 11. Second personal foul.
Kalimba shooting for two. Basket.
Oh, pag kanila ko yan, pwede naman kasi yung pasok eh. Kahit ako mo, pasok yun eh, kung hindi pasok sana.
Oy, meron yan! Oy, meron!
Second shot. Kalimba miss. Rebound by Perito. Gets a foul. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation.
Foul number 4, De La Cruz. Third personal foul. Penalty. One on number 25 for delaying the game, Perito.
First shot is good. Crucial free throw para kay Coach Don Perito. 87-88. Second shot. Basket. Tabla tayo sa 88. Time remaining 2 minutes and 18 seconds para sa ating fourth and last period. Ayan na, bola ng Salapan. Pass to De La Cruz. Alex De La Cruz. Pass to Corpus. Corpus, diniskarte. Corpus, Hesi. Drop pass, steal. Oh! Out of bounds.
Substitution.
Possession bola rin sa kapila.
Reset, tama, reset, 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, sino tatanggap? Si Kenneth. De Los Santos, Hesi. Pass to Alex. Alex to Kenneth. Kenneth behind the back. Kenneth drive, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Kenneth. Pass to Manalo. Short. Rebound by number 22. Wala. Rebound. Gets the 3 basket. Corpus.
Tumama.
Wow. That's a 3. 3-point para kay Corpus. 91-88. What a dagger para kay Corpus. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Salapan, may isa pa kayong timeout.
91-88. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Less than 2 minutes na lamang po para sa laban natin ito. Santos. Pass to Perito. Byron. Back to Perito. Pass to Byron. Quick. Byron. Stop and pump. Short. Byron using the glass and score. 91-90. Ay na. Nagmamadali. Gallardo. Waiting for his teammate. 91-90. Pass to Corpus. Corpus setting on the play. Corpus. Ayan na, bumobelo. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Outlet pass. Teruel. Back to Byron. Back to Maliba. Out of bounds. Last 52 seconds remaining. 90-91. Basket timeout, ha? Pagmasok na, pagmasok. 52 seconds remaining. Gallardo. Pass to Alex. De La Cruz. 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz. Hesi. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Teruel. Pass to Galimba. Galimba nagmamadali. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound by Alex. Ay na. Uy. Marpas. Tama. Time out. Barangay Corazon de Jesus. And a basket there para sa Barangay Salapan. 93-90. Wow. Last 20 seconds. Last timeout para sa Barangay Salapan Corazon. 93-90. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Barangay Corazon for this last timeout.
14 seconds. 14. 20 seconds. Remaining time. Basket time.
Meron pa pong Alright, back to the ball game. Last 20 seconds. 93-90. Byron Webb. Pass to Perito. Pass to Galimba for 3. Wala. Rebound by Alex. And there's a foul.
Foul number 10.
Oh my.
Number 10, second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, 10 seconds.
De La Cruz, crucial free throw. Last 10 seconds remaining. 10.8 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. De La Cruz, crucial free throw. First shot, no good. Ayan na, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Missed the first basket. Second shot para kay De La Cruz sa free throw area. De La Cruz, basket yan. 94-90. Last 10 seconds. Galimba. Pass to Perito for 3. Wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Wow. Congratulations and nice game para sa Barangay Corazon. Alright, our final score, 94-90. Manalo po Barangay Salapad.
Number 4, Alex De La Cruz.
Ayan, congratulations and our best player of the game. Wala lang iba, kundi ang ating super rookie, the former MVP of juniors, Mr. Alex De La Cruz. Congratulations. Salamat po sa inyo manonood and God bless everyone. Kita-kita po tayo for our next live.